Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the most delicious recipe for you. Only takes 20 minutes. We're making honey garlic pork chops. Delicious, 20 minutes, you're done. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and let's jump right in. All right guys, I have about 4 pork chops, boneless, skinless here. They already pat dry, so I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil on there so we can season them. Now once you're done rubbing that oil in, you're going in with your seasoning. I'll leave everything down below. This include Cajun crushed seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, a little bit of paprika, and dry parsley, as you can see. I'll leave everything below, like I said. Now we're going to generously season our pork chops. Rub that in, flip it over. This only takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So if you're looking for a quick, easy pork chop recipe, this is it. And now that we're done seasoning our pork chops, we're going to move on to pan sear it. To pan sear the pork chops, we're going to add a little bit of oil to our medium high heat skillet. Then I'm going in with my pork chops. It's nice and hot, as you can see. We're going to cook it for about 3 minutes per side. It is time for me to flip it over. Ooh, yes. All this right here is flavor. We want all of it. It looks so good. Just like this. I'm adding in some garlic, thyme, and also we're going in with some butter. Yes, yes, yes. Now, you don't have to take out the pork chops. In the same skillet, I'm going in with a little bit of soy sauce. Honey. Add some honey. And this is rice wine vinegar. A little bit of that, and you're going to let it simmer. Okay, let that simmer. Give it a few seconds to just reduce a little bit. Then we can baste it. And just like that, you have a delicious 15 minutes honey garlic pork chops. How easy that was, and it's absolutely delicious. Now let's plate this and take a bite. I can tell you this much, these pork chops are juicy, okay? Let's give them a try. Flavorful. Absolutely. These are 10 out of 10. You got to give them a try. Takes me less than 30 minutes. What? Anywho, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please give it a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Share it with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.